They were talking about a stealth combat aircraft that can fly farther, higher, and faster than its.
A former U.S. defense contractor faces life in prison for attempting to pass U.S. fighter jet secrets to Russia, the Department of Justice said Thursday.
They were talking about a stealth combat aircraft that can fly farther, higher, and faster than its American colleague.
John Murray Rowe Jr., a test engineer for multiple defense contractors for nearly 40 years, was said to have raised suspicions after revealing a fervent interest in Russian affairs, including asking his employer whether he could obtain a security clearance from the Russian government. These actions resulted in his termination from employment.